Hello guys, welcome to my channel Current Vacancy. My name is Divya Agarwal and I will share with you new vacancies in NHAI. That means it is a government vacancy and you will be posted in anywhere in India. There are various vacancies related to this. There are vacancies related to finance also, related to HR also, related to admin, surveyor also, deputy manager and joint advisor in the plantation in the forest also. So let's see. When you write this, you will come to this page. You have to click it here. Now drop down. You will see here written vacancies. Okay, when you come to this page, first is your position for the Chief General Manager. Selection committee methodology. And it is a type of deputation, promotion and contractual. Last date is 20 July. And you have to click it here on the document, on the I. And you will come to this page. Advertisement for CGM, means Chief General Manager Finance. Yes, NHAI, National Highway Authority of India. You will come to this page and there is given you vacancy for the Chief General Manager. And what is the essential qualification? Degree in Commerce, Accounts, Finance, ICAI, ICWAI from a recognized university, or if you don't have, member of any organized Group A finance account related services of the central government or of the state government. And how will your selection will come? From internal candidate holding the post of general manager or equivalent of NHAI on regular basis for a period of 3 years. Second, by deputation from officers under the central government or state government or union territorial universities or public sector undertaking or semi-government statutory. There is you given holding analog post on regular basis in the pay scale with 37,000 to 67,000. Or if you don't have this, with 3 years of regular service in the post in the pay scale of pay band 37,000 to 67,000. Period of deputation on selection shall be for an initial period of 3 years, extendable by 2 more years with the approval of the government. What are the important dates? Opening is 5th June and the last date of submission is 6th July and the last date of submission of printout of online application is 20th July. Yes, where is the posting? The post carry all India service liability. I have already told you about this. Procedure to apply, I have already told you the website link. How will you come to the recruitment page? Okay, let's talk about the second vacancy. It is again the same vacancy of the Chief General Manager but in the Administration and Human Resource. So for this document, we click on this. We will come to this page, advertisement for the position of Chief General Manager in HR. We come to this page. As you can see, there is given you number of position is 1, classification of post A, and pay band is given to from 37,000 to 67,000. With the 7th Central Pay Commission. Method of recruitment, selection through search cum selection committee by deputation. Maximum age is 56 years. What is the educational qualification? Degree of a recognized university, BA, BCom. 5 years experience in administration. And what is the selection procedure is given to you here. Period of deputation is given to you. Maximum 3 years. It can be further 4 years by the government. Important dates, opening date is 20th May and the last date of submission is 19 June and the last submission of the printer from online application is 6 July and the post will carry all over the India. All this is given to you. Procedure to apply, I have already told you. Okay, let's talk about third vacancy. This is a vacancy of a surveyor, admin or private. For this, we should click on this document. Yes, we come to this page. Notice inviting application for engagement of the following personnel is invited from private surveyor for land acquisition activities. So it is requested to submit your application along with CV to the office. So last date for this is 26th June. Okay, let's see next vacancy. This is the vacancy of the deputy manager technical for the engineers. You will come to this page and there is given you detailed advertisement for DMT 2020. You will come to this page. As you can see, there is given you several vacancies in the, as you can see, there is given you several vacancies for the engineers in the technical department. Okay, National Highway Authority of India invites application for the 48 post of deputy manager in the technical term in the level of 10 of pay matrix of 7, and grey pay is given to you 15,600 to 39,000 with central DA on direct recruitment basis. So this is a direct recruitment for the engineers, those who have done GATE 2020 and in the discipline of civil engineering. There is given you remarks. Out of total 48 posts, 6 posts is for this other categories. First is deputy manager. Second is deputy manager technical. What is the essential qualification? Is degree in civil engineering from a recognized university and institute. By direct recruitment on the basis of valid GATE, means graduate aptitude test in engineering, score in 2020. So you should have clear GATE 2020. Minimum qualification is given to you already. Upper age limit is 30 years. And the selection procedure is, first you should clear GATE 2020. And the note 1 is given to you. The prescribed essential qualifications are the minimum. If you have cleared the GATE, that is sufficient. How to apply online? I have already told you how to go through this website. Yes, make sure that the last submission of the online form is this 15 June by 6 p.m. After this, you will be generated to a unique reference number. Automatically generated application acknowledgement would be sent to email ID approved by the applicant. You should fill everything appropriately. Other information is given to you. Okay, let's talk about 5th vacancy. It is of the 27th post of joint advisor in the plantation. Last date is 22nd June. You have to click it here. You will come to this page. You have to click on joint advisor plantation. Yes, you will come to this page. There are 13 posts for this. Method of recruitment is contract basis. Open advertisement. Period of contract is 2 years. For instance, maybe further extended more year based on your recruitment of the NHAI and your performance. What is the year remuneration? 90,000. Educational qualification, you should have cleared BSc or you are retired officers from central or state government. And the third is 15 years of experience in the forestry of horticultural environment. This is given you age limit 65 years. Job description is also given to you. Application mode is online mode. Vacancy places like this in where are the NHAI's services. Closing date is within 50 days from the date of applications. Okay, those who have applied earlier for the advertisement of 12 February, they don't have to apply again. They have already applied. This is the information how you have to fill form. If you like it, share it, comment it in the box. For more videos like this, press the bell icon and I will share more information like this. Thank you.